Yahuah said, "This generation shall not pass." Psalm 90 defines a generation, 70 years, or 80 by strength. The fig tree put forth its leaves in 1947. Do the math. Matthew 24, verses 32 through 34. Now learn this parable from the fig tree. When its branch has already become tender and puts forth leaves, you know that summer is near. So you also, when you see all these things, know that it is near, at the doors. Assuredly, I say to you, this generation will not pass away till all these things are fulfilled. The fig tree is Israel. When it puts forth leaves, when the nation is restored, the generation starts, and that generation will see all things fulfilled. On November 29th, 1947, the United Nations passed Resolution 181, officially recognizing the right of the Jewish people to a homeland. This was the decree. The fig tree put forth its leaves. And here's what most people don't realize. This date was prophesied. In 537 BC, the Babylonian captivity ended and the Jewish people began returning to the land. From that starting point, Scripture gives us a prophecy of 7 times punishment. 7 times 360 prophetic years equals 2,520 years. When you apply the solar key conversion, multiplying by 0.98563 to convert prophetic years to solar years, you get 2,484 years. 537 BC plus 2,484 years equals 1947 AD. The exact year prophesied 2,500 years in advance. Now add a generation. Psalm 90. Verse 10, the days of our years are 70 years, and if by reason of strength, they are 80 years. 1947 plus 70 equals 2017. On December 6th, 2017, the United States recognized Jerusalem as Israel's capital. The 70-year marker, 1947 plus 80 equals 2027, the absolute maximum. We are currently in year 78 of 80. The generation is almost over. And most people have no idea. But 1947 wasn't just a random date that happened to be prophesied. What's happening to that land right now was also prophesied by a woman named Jezebel. Subscribe and visit straightasthegate.org. Part 14 reveals the Jezebel prophecy.